What if we had a drop in our customer satisfaction score and we need to send a recovery email? Let's see how we can set this up in Cassidy in 90 seconds. We'll open this up, select edit, and let's take a look at our trigger. We're going to capture the customer name, the CSAT score, the ticket summary, and what went wrong. We've got the email template that we want to generate, and we will send that email out. Let's test this out. Let's run the workflow. As you can see, we're generating our email template and sending out that email to the customer. Let's look at our inbox and see if we received it. And here we are. We've received the email, and as you can see, the email has been drafted to recover on the low CSAT score that we might have received, just so that we can be a bit more proactive and positive about discussing things with our customers. Now, if you like this workflow and you'd like to get a copy of it, just comment support and I'll send you a full pack. 5 NAN workflows and 5 Cassidy workflows that you can use immediately.